Hi, hi, hi.
I'm
So
so happy.
how is it feeling, Mr. Moitra?
I've become a cook. I've become a cleaner. I have become. Thanks to you, I'm wearing this shirt, new
See,
shirt.
even I am
Uh,
dressed up for this.
yeah,
Because otherwise,
absolutely.
the whole day I'm definitely not presentable.
So I must tell,
Have to do.
I, and not just presentable. Suppose I'm calling you up. Most of the people who are watching this, the original tone is hello, hello. And क्या हुआ? I just finished cooking. सो यू कैन रियलाइज कि यार ये बेचारी जिसको होना चाहिए माइक्रोफोन के बीच में वो बैठ के बट शी इज अ बाय द वे गाइस शी इज अ डैम गुड कुक and
Yeah, I've become so
traditional
now.
Bengali, yeah, traditional Bengali cooking she is doing. Today, what did you make?
I made so I think necessity teaches you a lot of inventions. So today it happened to be Bengalis in this chat will know kumro with kalo chana diye. Kumro with like kumro means kaddu. हिंदी में कद्दू बोलते हैं जिसको वो बनाई मैंने.
वाह
Like seriously, there was nothing else in the fridge. There was this pumpkin which was almost expiry date पे चला था. It had to be made. But
टॉकिंग अबाउट कद्दू एंड ओनली थिंग एक बार उसके फ्रिज खोला था शी ह्यूज फ्रिज मैंने खोला उसमें एक अदरक था बस और कुछ नहीं था पूरे फ्रिज में वो अदरक हमको टाटा टाइप का कर रहा था कि हेलो मेरे को भी ले लो भाई मैं अकेला हूँ पूरे फ्रिज में
but that day you made eggs with such different twist to it. So to be so here everyone who has already joined the chat and who knows me, but I think you know Shantanu Dada quite well. But the main thing about him, he's a superb cook. He is known to be the chef in the group. He cooks some amazing exotic things, but I think in this lockdown he has to make the basics, which is hard for him.
Absolutely.
The basics are most difficult,
Very
isn't
difficult,
it?
and especially I'm doing vegetarian.
Vegetarian. So that is a tough one. But
Absolutely.
he loves the egg, so do we. I mean, we all are like egg lovers. We have this common. In fact, talking about anda and the love for anda, I think Gulzar Saab also has the same love for. I think you have. No, he always had
No,
that.
no, no, no. No.
But
I think I remind this story when I come to that thing, that Sarso Ka Tel wala, the story in the studio. But
yeah.
I want to share some stories which usually people don't hear this. So people who are watching this, Shreya Ghoshal का कमाल का quality है कि वो आधा information देती है, पूरा नहीं देती. So which creates amazing confusion. So I'll give you a small example. So this is यहाँ का गाना वाना हो गया तो पहली बार मैं दिल्ली से आई जस्ट एंटर्ड दिल्ली बॉम्बे फ्रॉम दिल्ली न्यू किड इन द ब्लॉक श्रेया इज ऑलरेडी अ सुपरस्टार हैविंग संग देवदास now one radio interview happened which is very I was very tense I'm still tense today so this
Otherwise,
all
he
India
is just talking like he does not treat me with any respect. Huh? That is the
yeah
truth.
yeah
अभी
correct
पता नहीं क्यों अपना रंग बदल रहे हैं. Like now
हाँ
it's in public, so.
तेरे इतने सारा फैन दिख रहे हैं मेरे को सो ऑल इंडिया रेडियो में हम लोग ने रात को इंटरव्यू खत्म होते होते 10 बज गए so then she was going home and I don't know where she lives nothing about Bombay also I know I'm afraid how will I go back to my house actually so which was
We
in
were
town
in town.
in town so I said Shab, should I drop you home she said no it's okay so she had a car she had a driver of course but naturally यार रात के 10 बज गए एक लड़की अकेले जा रही है तो मेरे को दिल्ली वाला कॉन्सेप्ट है कि यार वो ग्रेटर कैलाश से कालकाजी जाएगी तो मैंने कहा कि आई विल ड्रॉप यू ना तो शी सेड ओके सो शी इज सिटिंग सो इज टॉकिंग बात कर रहे हैं घर नहीं आ रहा करते 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 करीब 18-20 किलोमीटर निकल गए मुझे टेंशन हो गया मैं जाऊंगा कैसे सो आई सेड श्रेया वेयर इज योर हाउस I said Chembur. I said how far is it? He said from the studio it's around 18 kilometers. I said why didn't you tell me before? He said no you kept on insisting I want to drop you so it's okay. तो उसको बेचारे को इतना तरस हुआ मेरे पास and she called up her mom and said ma make some nice demet dalna which is like egg curry and rice which was amazing but this is the amazing thing about her half information एक और half information बोलना बड़ा जरूरी है
These were not the days of Google Maps, so
हाँ
unfortunately. अभी
so
half information चल रहा है.
she comes to the studio and I said चल खाते हैं she said Shantanu this is the problem with you only you worry about food and all that you're not serious about work मैंने कहा ठीक है भाई तो मैं चुप हो गया तो then she went inside हमने काम वाम किया गाना गा लिया उसने अब उसको भूख लगी है she is hungry now she comes out she said have you ordered food I said no because you told me that only I think about money he said this is the problem you take me for granted I said what do I do man So this is this is her. This is the genius
Oh
called Shreya
God,
Vishal.
आज पूरी पोल खुलेगी. I'm so
Shreya,
worried.
something from our first association was
यहाँ
नाम अदा लिखना.
नाम अदा लिखना. So I
And I
think
must.
before I joined, I think you were talking about it. So let me also like share my side of the story, because I think there was this studio called Spectral Harmony, which now is called Sound Ideas. And I did most of my Devdas's recording happened in that studio. It's quite a huge one. It had a couple of different rooms, different studios in it. So Shantanu used to come, and he was already probably doing some, before this film started, you were probably doing some work already, and Bishwadip Da introduced me to you. And
for a lot of people who don't know, Bishwadip Da is one of the most amazing recording engineers that both Shreya and I have worked on. Some of our biggest hits has been engineered by Bishwadip Chatterjee.
Absolutely. He is a legend. I mean, everyone in the industry knows him and how big a part he's played in most of the greatest soundtracks. I mean, when I met him, it felt very unusual because already having worked on Devdas, I had met a lot of musicians and people who were coming and going in the studio who are typically filmy. You know, that filminess, that vibe is there, like वो industry से belong करते हैं, the whole vibe is there. So I'm meeting this person called Shantanu Moitra, who had absolutely no air of belonging to this place at all. He comes from this very real person, and I said कि ये तो कुछ like
ये तो टिकेगा नहीं. इसका विकेट तोड़ने वाला है.
No, but that was like, it definitely was a welcome change for me, because I also belong to a rather very unfilmy, non-film kind of atmosphere. So that's why I think we clicked the very moment we met. We felt some amazing comfort from the first time I met, and we heard that scratch which you played to me, and later I had to come and dub. So I'm going to sing that. And I had no idea that song was written by Gulzar Saab.
Yeah.
I was so freaked out the moment I knew about it, and I was so thrilled. One of the finest songs that you have made, I have sung. It's one of the most treasured songs by
Thank
us,
you.
for sure,
Yes,
and by
yes.
the fans also.
Yeah.
And, क्या बात है, गिटार लेके बैठे हो, वाह वाह.
और क्या काम है मेरा?
पूछे जो कोई मेरी निशानी, रंग ही ना लिखना, गोरे बदन पे उंगली से मेरा नाम अदा लिखना. कभी कभी आस पास चांद रहता है, कभी कभी आस पास शाम रहती है. आओ ना जहलम में बहकेंगे, वादी के मौसम ही एक दिन तो बदलेंगे. कभी कभी आस पास चांद रहता है, कभी कभी आस पास शाम रहती है. आपका वाला लाइन
तू ही गा. रकसा यादी जीवे, रखवाला जीवे, दरा दरा रा 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 रे रा, दरा रा 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 रे रा.
जब तुम हंसते हो दिन हो जाता है, तुम गले लगो तो
वाह वाह वाह.
दिन सो जाता है.
क्या लिखा है, क्या लिखा है?
क्या बात. उठाए आए वाले तो पास बिठा लेना, कल जो मिले तो माथे पे मेरे सूरज
हाँ,
उगा देना,
वाह वाह वाह।
जरा जरा आस पास धूप रहेगी, जरा जरा आस पास रंग रहेंगे.
क्या बात यार, इट्स
One
सो
of my,
वंडरफुल।
it's, and the moment I start singing this or even listen to it, I feel so nostalgic. I get totally, exported back to that time. It's one of the
या
most wonderful memories. And because, when you're starting off, everything that you're doing, everything you remember. I mean, I remember every moment of that particular phase,
करेक्ट।
every recording, every thing that we did in the studios, what we spoke of. Abhina, in the middle, everything has become a blur. I don't remember most of the things what I've done in life, but those,
ब्यूटिफुली सेड, ब्यूटिफुली सेड।
it's
बिकॉज
vivid.
तब ये एक्चुअली सपना था कि स्टूडियो में जाके ऐसा कुछ काम करेंगे। एंड एक्चुअली द ऑनेस्ट इज श्रेया, is उस समय the only idea was to create a beautiful song. क्या होगा उसका, all those things we were too, we were not exposed so much. What is
Right,
a hit, what is a flop, उतना नहीं पता था कि एक गाना गाने को करने को मिल रहा है, let's do it nicely. इतना
right.
ही बड़ा बेसिक था। इट्स लाइक लॉकडाउन में भी वेज कुकिंग जैसे हो रहा है।
क्या बात है, क्या analogy है, वाह वाह वाह. But to be honest, I think we were very nervous, and the fact that we got a chance and we have to prove also in a way कि पता नहीं कैसे करना है, but करना है, कुछ अच्छा करना है. What is the outcome of it? Nobody knows. Like, to be honest, when I was singing in Devdas, मुझे कुछ आइडिया भी नहीं था कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, कितने बड़े प्रोजेक्ट का हिस्सा हूँ. मुझे तो कुछ उसका इतना ज्यादा एहसास ही नहीं था. Like, when it released, then I started realizing, oh my god, it's a big world I've entered into, and the whole paraphernalia of it. So I think with you, Yaha was the same experience, because till before
Absolutely.
that you were doing everything from Delhi, if I am not
True,
wrong.
true, absolutely,
All the hits that you
absolutely.
had, with Shubha
I had
Ji.
just done, हाँ, I had just done 2 albums, आपके
Indie
सावन,
pop.
हाँ,
Yes,
also आपके सावन, anyway.
I
But
love that.
the thing is कि मुझे लगता है कि um, I have always had the desire to do that one song and run away. And you have always said that just hold on for one more film, hold on for one more film,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
and that process is still on. Um,
Yes.
I must go on. I must go on to Parinita, for example, and I remember ki I don't know. I won't take names, but I was trying a few voices, and it was, and you know how a film is. Ki there is a director, there's a producer, there's so many. Everybody's got an opinion, and I was just a bacha. I was just starting on, so मेरा opinion तो comes last. So, but I was not happy where the song was going, what was happening. So एक बड़ा unrestlessness हो रहा था, ये हो रहा था. And I still remember that I think you were flying out that night to abroad. You and your mom had come in the studio. You had come to do another song. And I said, Shreya, can you please try out this song? And I had struggled with that song for the audience to know for around 12 hours before that. सुबह से लगा हुआ हूं मैं, and I'm not getting what I want. And she said, okay, let me just see. She just taken the song. तभी not कि पहले कुछ rehearsal हुआ, कुछ नहीं. She just said, an idea was not to do a final recording. कि ऐसे ही जाके कर लो, because, and guys, you're watching this. When she went on that microphone and she first sang that, the I was like, I collapsed. I remember Bishwadeep looked at me and said, "Are you okay, Shantanu?" Because I had got what I wanted. I could hear it. And I was like, thank God. And it is such an amazing moment in my life where I realized the power of a singer who can, I was just talking to this before you had come, that how they can take a composition beyond this, and both you and Sonu, of course, I must mention Sonu's name, that both of you were so amazing. And Parinita was the way Vidya, we were all new. Me, Swanand, who wrote, Vidya Balan is there and you there, but Parinita will always, I will look back at as that one film where we did something which was so close to our heart.
Magical.
Magical, absolutely, absolutely.
Every moment of it. But my story, my side of the story is like I've entered this room of all amazing kind of people. Like here, Pradeep Da is sitting and sketching on his sketchboard. Every
Very
shot,
good.
like how every shot of that song is going to look. He's sketching on a sketchboard literally with a pencil. And you know, Vidhu, and how he
Vinod
is.
Chopra,
He's amazing.
amazing.
Vinod Chopra ji is like all passion, all energy, giving, you know, ideas. And here's this super cool, chilled out guy that is Shantanu Moitra. In the middle of it, like, I am sure that there is a whole, you know, there's a lot of anxiety, a lot of worries, all of that he has within, but he has never showed it in the studio. जो भी होता है ना, इतना smooth sailing, and how that chemistry that we have today, it started right then. That how you understood where I'm getting stuck and what we need to, when we need to fix that line, how do we change it so that everyone likes it, and just that smooth sailing. We were talking about that exactly, how we have managed through so many critical situations. And Parinita is that one example. I think we had some amazing songs which happened through a great teamwork of one of the greatest minds that I've worked with. Like, I'm so proud of that album, and the fact that I got to know you, Pradeep Da, Vinod ji,
Swanand,
everyone, Swanand
mad.
KR,
Swanand is doing
mad
this.
friend, and his madness. Jitna you are cool, utna he is worried, and like they're two like pole apart, and the amazing understanding that both of you have between like all the songs.
You remember when he was singing Pio Bole, suddenly Pradeep said, "Ki, why didn't you laugh?"
And I had no idea how to do all of this stuff.
And Swanand is telling me, ये आदमी क्या कर रहा है? ये आदमी क्या कर रहा है? उसको संभालो. Oh my God, of this thing.
No, actually ना तभी see ये expression का चक्कर ना ज़्यादा मैंने सीखा नहीं था. I was very fresh from that first film, and I had no idea how to laugh without a reason. I mean, how can I laugh while I'm singing? So like दिल की जो बातें हैं, बातें जो दिल की है, दिल ही में रखना पिया. लब तो ना खोलूं मैं, खोलूं ना लब तो, पर आंखों से सब कह दिया. पियो बोले, पिया बोले,
Correct.
क्या ये बोले जानू ना. जिया डोले, हौले हौले, क्यों ये डोले जानू ना.
ra 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 re ra 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 ri re re ra da re na ri re re ra 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 ra.
एक नदी से मैंने पूछा, इठला के चल दे कहाँ. दूर तेरे ही का घर है, बल खा के चली कहाँ. थोड़ा वो घबराई, थोड़ा सा शर्माई,
क्या बात.
यहाँ से वहाँ. सागर से मिलने का उसका तो सपना था, मेरी ही तरह पिया. पियो बोले, पिया बोले, आगे बोले जानो ना.
Yeah. Wow, this is amazing.
Thank you.
But I forgot that Hasi wala place. You're right. That was this.
हाँ.
Yeah.
थोड़ा वो घबराए, थोड़ा सा शर्माए.
Correct.
Now after that song, Pradeep Da ने मुझे ऐसा train किया how to keep laughing within a song. I think after that, when we had done हम तो ऐसे हैं भैया,
correct.
You know that film लागा चुनरी में दाग, उसमें भी हंसाया था. हर गाने में हंसाया मुझे. So then I think after that तो मैं ऐसा प्रो हो गई थी कि कहाँ बोलो आपको किधर हंसना है, कोई भी मुझे बोले ना अभी हंस दो, क्या हंसना हो, रोना हो, जो करना है, खांसना हो गाने के अंदर, I could do that, चीखना हो, whatever I can.
I remember when we were doing Lage Raho Munna Bhai, and this is a crazy incident. So usually मैं क्या कोशिश करता हूँ कि पहले जब मैं मीटिंग सपोज श्रेया, तो उस समय स्टूडियो में और कोई ना हो, माने एज इन प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर, सो दैट एटलीस्ट वी गेट द कंपोजिशन इन प्लेस एंड ऑल दैट.
There's peace.
हाँ, सो शी केम, एंड उस समय श्रेया का भी बहुत रिकॉर्डिंग्स चल रहा था, तो शी केम, शी यूज्ड टू कम, तो आई लुक्ड एट हर एंड रियलाइज कि उसका आज मूड नहीं है. तो शी से आई सेड कि आज
He's the
नहीं
only one who cared so much कि इसका मूड ही नहीं है. सोचो कोई ऐसा हो सकता है. Everyone is like, अरे गाना अभी करके देना है, डेडलाइन. This guy is full opposite. हाँ बोलो.
तो बेसिकली मैंने कहा कि आज मूड नहीं है, कहता चल चिल करते हैं. बट चिल, श्रेया घोषाल का चिल मीन्स ऐसा नहीं कि शी इज नॉट सिंगिंग, so we'll sing some old Lata ji song. I think Sachin is there. Sachin Sangvi, he's in this. I saw him in this thing. Sachin was a recordist that time.
Oh, he's joined.
Yeah. So hi Sachin. So basically he knows the drill. कि जो भी हो रहा है, जैसे भी हो रहा है, record करो. So Shreya sings Lata ji songs and all that. And शाम को पास में एक चाइनीज रेस्टोरेंट था, वहां से खाना वाना आ गया, तो 4-5 घंटे हो गए, अब गुड बाय हो गया, घर चले गए. मैंने श्रेया को बोला, श्रेया सुन, आज तो नहीं किया, हमको कल करना चाहिए ना. तो शी सेड हाँ कल करेंगे पक्का. आई विल नॉट कीप एनीथिंग, आई विल कम. नेक्स्ट डे शी कम्स अराउंड 12:30 and unfortunately that day amazing food has happened. Some great alu sheddo, dihim bhat and full Bengali stuff हो गया. Now same position again in the studio. Now she looks at me, says mood नहीं है ना. मैंने कहा कि
इतना अभी हम लोग कितने दिन से किया.
तो 2 दिन निकल गया था. तीसरे दिन मैंने कहा श्रेया करने पड़ेगा. But the song was so beautifully sung. La 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 la. गा.
थोड़ा ऊपर लो ना. पल 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 हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल 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 हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल. दिल में मची है हलचल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल पल हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल.
वाह.
ओ हम सफर,
क्या मूड चेंज था उसमें.
लगता है डर, रात कटे ना कभी हूँ सहर, इस पल में सिमटे उम्र, रात कटे ना कभी हूँ सफर सहर.
स्वान मारेगा हमको.
बहुत पीटेगा. तू जो है साथ मेरे तो डगर लगे के जैसे खूबसूरत घर. तू जो है साथ मेरे तो डगर लगे के जैसे खूबसूरत घर. तू जो है साथ तो ये अंबर लगे के जैसे सोया हो सर पर. तेरे कांधे पर लग कर सर यूं ही कट जाए सारी उम्र.
क्या बात.
हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल.
Excellent. Oh my god.
Yay!
And I remember this was the phase, Shreya, when suddenly, मैंने अभी तक बंगाली फिल्म कोई किया नहीं था.
हाँ.
I have never done a Bengali film.
Yes.
And in fact, you used to ask me that why don't you do a Bengali film? मेरा हमेशा default setting होता है कि why should it? It's okay, I'm happy here. And you used to push me, do it, yeah.
Too much work.
Yeah. And then I remember Aniruddha Roy Chaudhary, friend of ours,
Yeah.
Tony, he came up with this beautiful film called Antohin. And usme there's a beautiful song which I must say a little bit about that song because Shreya played such an important role in that song for me. So har gaane mein ek mukhada antara hota hai. That's the usual format of our songs. So I remember when we had done. Is the scale okay? है ना? So
Yeah.
I had done this and I don't know whether you guys know it or not that I always use dummy words and I don't have any lyrics तब तक तो मैं
Best kind of dummy words he uses. Like his dummy words, like, I mean, while you're
No.
making a song, you have to sing the dummy words also of this song. अरे उसी में तो मजा है यार. Everyone has heard the final product.
চল চালা চলা ধুলে ধুলা তোমাকে তো আমি কি তরাম কিনে किने সবা তেলে দিলে দিনে দিনে रे दिना तो ऐसा कुछ होता है basically or sing and Shreya has to sing it seriously. She can't be non-serious about these dummy words. So she has to have that full passion. Anyway, the interesting part of the structure is कि मैंने ये complete किया and I was struggling for the antara. Antara हो नहीं रहा था and I always have this luxury of the fact that I always have Shreya sitting in front of me and I am very very proud of that. Suddenly मेरे को याद आया कि हमेशा 99% गाना जो मैंने श्रेया के साथ किया है she is there when I'm composing because I feel inspired. I feel yaar, let me try this. She says okay, you try it. Shreya herself is a very good composer and she keeps on thinking you try this time. She pushes me to give my best and I think that is an amazing way of working. तो ये गाना करते करते suddenly she came up with an idea अंतर की क्या जरूरत है? Why does it, if you want to do something different ना? Why do you want to have अंतरास? तो मैंने फिर क्या करें उस पे? कहता let's do some आलाप. उस समय our friend Pranav, he's an amazing singer, classically trained Rashid Khan student. He was also in the studio. See, this is the fun stuff. सब साथ में बैठते थे. तो श्रेया से कि प्रणव कुछ करना इस पे. And he did this, and that is what became the song. There is no antara, guys. There is no antara in this song. There is only a mukhada which Shreya sung in different styles. Every time she's repeated, there's a different rendition, and I think that is what is one of my most beautiful songs. Shreya, ho jayega anta.
True that, and I think we are talking about Antohin here. If we probably didn't mention the film. Antohin, of course, became one of the most critically acclaimed film music. We got
4
national awards. But while this album was being made, we never realized what is going to happen. This has become a milestone for Bengali film music, actually. It started a different revolution and the whole industry kind of changed post this film. But I think it's one of the most beautiful and complete soulful album. If we have to talk about full album, like from the first song to the last song, it feels like a masterpiece. Like it needs to have world recognition. Is that kind of an album. And every song that we recorded was live without it's not like कि पहले program कर लिया, पहले track बना लिया, फिर उसके बाद हम लोग इसके एक ये मुखड़ा, ये hook line, ये ऐसे. Everything was happening on the go.
And there was just a physical click track. That's it. Baki, everybody was playing this thing, and that is the magic was there. And I think Shreya ने बड़ा एक interesting point बताया कि उस समय हमको पता ही नहीं था हम क्या कर रहे हैं. There was no pressure. Tony never told us that give us a great song or nothing. And I think that
hats
was
off to him,
hats off to him.
He was so involved and he never became like the interfering, like I think we should do this. No, we should. He let us own this project fully, which was such a big thing. Like,
and the only thing he used to tell me every day that we are from Calcutta, we are small producers. Your food bill is really like really going over the top if you can control. But Ankur on guitar and all that. So
God,
is like.
Let's sing it. जाओ पाखी बोलो हवा चलो चलो आप छाया जानलार का আমি কে আমাকে হারিয়েছি বাকি রূপকথা নাচ কানাচ
वाह
আঙুলের কোলে জলে জোনাকি জলে হারিয়েছি কাল সোনাকি
आहा,
জানলায় গল্পের কথা
आहा,
যাও মেয়ে চোখে রেখো এ আবেগ যাও পাখি বলো হাওয়া ছলো ছলো আবছায়া জানলার কাছ আমি কি আমাকে
आहा,
ও রূপকথা নাচ গানা রে না রে
आहा, 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 क्या बात आहा, आहा, आहा,
रे ना যাও পাখি বলো
आहा, आहा,
হাওয়া ছলো ছলো আবছায়া জানলার কাছ
आहा, आहा, fantastic, fantastic, fantastic.
Oh God.
Shreya apna muh se to she'll never say these things, but I just have we're having a lot of fun. But I'll tell you something which is uh, 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 I won't say serious, but an emotional moment for me. I remember the next film that we did for Arunodra Chaudhary, which was Opportunity to Me, and we had done this idea of doing this a live concert, a small one, in one of the oldest movie theaters in Kolkata.
Yes.
And this was something that we decided to do on our own only. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि there was nothing, no money shani and all that. It was just because we loved music. It was such amazing thrill to create it. So I remember. So the night, the morning when Shreya landed in Calcutta and she entered the hotel, she came with, I saw her walking with the mother. I had one look at her and I knew she's not well. And I walked up to her and her mom very worriedly said that she has 103 temperature. I looked at Shreya, and my first, always, as a personality, I said, Ki, don't sing. And she knows that. She says, I'll be okay. Don't worry. I don't know what she would have done because in exactly 4 or 5 hours was the show. With 103 temperature, she went on stage, she sang. This is the professionalism of her, and that's why you're all her fans. Is जितना भी छोटा गाना हो, जितना भी छोटा फिल्म हो, या जितना भी बड़ा हो, if she has committed, and not just me, anybody, if she has committed, rest assured, she will fulfill it. And this is what makes Shreya Ghoshal.
रुला दोगे यार.
नहीं यार,
Yeah,
आज नहीं रोते, आज हंसते हैं.
No, but अभी तो ऐसा, अभी ये टेम्परेचर की बात ही मत करो.
Correct.
Just kidding. But yeah, I fondly remember that thing, and मुझे ना, Shantanu, I believe in supreme power in situations like that. When you have a will to do something with all your heart, you want to be there on that moment and do your best, and you want to do it. वो बोलते हैं ना, जब पूरी when you wish for something, the पूरी कायनात लगा देती है to make it happen. So I think that's what happened, and in spite of being not well and etc. But when I came to that, so I think it's just when you mind over what you say, like if you put your mind and heart to something, it will happen.
The universe comes together too. Yeah, yes. Absolutely.
Yeah, and you're right.
What a lovely sentence you have spoken, because the next story I'm going to say is from that. I remember that when Antuheen had won 4 national awards, and of course Shreya also had won best lyrics, best vocals, best film, best producer, and yours truly didn't get. So Shreya called me up to saying ki you should have got. Anyway, so हो गया, बात खत्म हो गया. एक this is destiny. When you want something, the universe comes together. There was a film called Na Bangaru Talli, which was
Yeah.
not supposed to be. I was not supposed to do it. Actually, this friend of mine, Sunita Krishnan, who is a human rights activist who works with sex traffickers, she and her husband had made the film, and they had just given it to me to see if it's okay or not. And I'd seen it, and it was a beautiful film, but the music that they had done was not working. And that time my Three Idiots work was going on, and there was a lot of pressure. So मुझे लगा कि अगर मैं उनको बताऊंगा कि music is not working, they will obviously say that then Shantanu, can you help me? And I didn't have the time. So I remember whenever I had such doubts, I always called you up and I said, Shreya, this is something like this. And she said, yeah, how is the film? I said, it's a very important film. She said, then you should do it. So anyway, so I told them that, look, and no money, nothing, I don't need, because it was obviously for a reason, very small budget. I'll do the score, and George, who was my programmer, and if he's watching, he did such an amazing song. So we finished the score, and I was missing a song which told the story of this girl who was going through this. And I remember I called Shreya कि मेरे को एक 3-4 लाइन आ रहा है, and I had never done any other language apart from Bengali and Hindi, and you had done so many South Indian films, so that am I on the right direction? And you came to the studio and you sat down, you heard the first 4 lines and said, Shantanu, isko tu complete karte hain, because this is something beautiful. And she sang it, and as magically Shreya Ghoshal sings it, but lo and behold, exactly a few months back, I got a call that you won the national award.
Wow.
And this is that whole story about how universe comes together.
Yeah.
It had to happen, and that touch from you had to happen. Otherwise, the cycle wouldn't have been completed.
Oh. But to be honest, when I heard that story, when I was in the studio, when I heard the narration of what the film is about, I think I have never been very emotional when I go on the mic. I try to not real emotion overpower me while I'm singing. Because it's then I feel that I'm not able to control what I want to sing. But in that particular song, somehow something happened, and it was seriously. And after you watch the film and how you see the clips of the film in the song,
the character struggling, yeah. I'm giving you a C major.
Let me बहुत दिन गाया नहीं है, but I hope I am singing it right. पावुनै ఒక పావునై మిగలానా పసి పాపనై కను పాపనై మెలిగానా కలతలో కలలలో కొలనలో కలువనై విరిసానను కనిపించిన మగువుందని తెలిసిందనా ఇప్పుడైనా.
Oh my God.
This
oh my God.
Oh Nana means father. Nana,
Yeah.
I think this I'm singing in Telugu. There are 2 languages we sing.
Yes, we did. We got it.
So the girl is singing for her father that why did you do this to me? Like, because she becomes a sex worker. So I think it's her story.
Thanks to the father. Yeah. That's an amazing. And as usual, so and it was so ironical because in exactly a week later, this was the mahol, we entered again with a song from Three Idiots in the same mahol. See, this is the life Shreya was saying something कि हम लोग कितना जल्दी change करना पड़ता है ना?
Correct.
And the song was Zubi Dubi. Absolutely mad. Something else. I know this is not part of something, a discussion, but I just want to tell something that for me, my weakness is that I cannot jump so quickly like Shreya does. She's brilliant at it. That whatever she's feeling, whatever she's going through, when she enters a studio, it's switched off. I kind of carry it over, and that is why I think she can see what is happening and all that. One of the techniques that I use is that I ask her to sing something, which is not my composition, and something from yesteryears. And ये प्रथा last 20-25 साल से चले आ रही है.
My God.
And one of my favorite songs, and every time I hear her sing, I want her to sing this song because that's my thing. Is that song from Anand? Because I think it's one of the Najiya Lagena, one of the greatest songs that Salda has ever composed. As a composer, I can tell you, it's one of the most complex compositions, but yet there's so much of simplicity. Just 4 lines, Shreya, if you don't mind, just to tell them how I unwind from one mood to another.
But I'm gonna sing the Bangla version of it. Mood बन गया. Already mood बन गया. एक गाना बनाते इसके बाद. না মনো লাগে না এই জীবনে কিছু যেন ভালো লাগে না না মনো লাগে না এই জীবনে কিছু যেন ভালো লাগে না না লাগে না এই নদীর দুই কিনারে দুই তরুণী যতই না বাইনো মোর বাধা কাছে যেতে তাই পারিনি এই নদীর দুই কিনারে দুই তরুণী
मार डालोगे आप.
যতই না বাইনো মোর বাধা কাছে যেতে তাই পারিনি তুমিও পার থেকে নাও সরুনি না মনো লাগে না.
Oh my God, oh my God. Every time I have goosebumps. जैसे of course लता जी ने गाया है, जैसे सलिता का composition
का
है, music, and Shreya, every time you sing this, it just makes me believe कि इसीलिए तो music करते हैं. For these moments, for this joy. बाकी सब कुछ ठीक है, that's one side, but this is the reason why we do what we do, is because of music is something so dear to, I think, all of us, and of course especially for both of us. यही तो music is the bonding, and our interests and tastes are so similar.
Absolutely. I think the fact that whenever we meet, we have a gang called Bavras. I don't know. I think the Bavras have already joined and they are watching us.
Yeah, Aditya is constantly saying hi.
As usual, we are ignoring him.
Yeah.
Maybe this time Aditya, hi. Because last
I think
time
also Sharda and Shreya also is there, correct? Yeah.
Everyone is here.
Rashmi also there, correct?
This is a shout out to all our friends who are here, probably Aditya, Sharda, Sayami, Vikram, Nilesh, Ariva, Rashmi, Pratik ka birthday hai aaj to. Happy birthday. So all of you are here, and every time we meet like this in the evenings and we have these adda sessions, what Shantanu is doing right now for you all, we do it like probably every week once.
Yeah.
We try to meet like this in the evening and we just sing. And of course I sing, Shantanu sings and he plays the guitar, and Swanand sings. But there are some who also want to sing and they also sing. Like we make everyone sing. And we'll not give all the poll call here, but so on that note we'll do कौन सा वाला गाना करना है?
करने के पहले एक छोटा सा चीज मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि one of the common interests of Shreya and mine is उसकी जिंदगी में apart from parents and Shiladitya is a very important person called Sherlock.
Person.
Okay.
I like it's a person.
हाँ, और मेरे जिंदगी में is Lara. तो it's she has a German. It's a Labrador.
He's a
Sorry,
golden
it's a
retriever.
golden retriever, and I have
And Lara is a cocker
is a
spaniel.
cocker spaniel. So मजे की बात है कि suppose she's never disturbed about anything in life, nothing. But क्या हुआ? खाना नहीं खा रहा ठीक से. कौन नहीं खा रहा? शर्लॉक. क्यों? नहीं, कल हमने उसको चिकन और राइस और दाल भात दिया था. मैंने कहा भाई मेरे को थोड़ा दे दे वो खाना. So, and pampering, how Shreya pampers Sherlock is, guys, you won't believe it. He has a separate bed and this. वो मतलब कि महाराजा है वो, महाराजा. This incident I have to say.
हमारे घर का बेटा है. Like how Laru is actually Lara, our dear Lara, is a tiny little dog, but she is actually Mashima. You know.
Correct.
She's a senior citizen.
Yeah.
So we have to respect, but she behaves like puppy, and Sherlock is
also
never
behaves like
gonna
puppy.
behave. Huh? He was a puppy. Not so much of a puppy, but he definitely behaves like one. And
so one day I went to Shreya's house and I asked her, how is Sherlock? I'm training when he's very well behaved. There's no problem. ठीक है. Okay, so this guy, you must hear this. So हम जमीन में बैठे हुए, मैं गिटार लेके बैठा हूँ. हाँ, और वो गा रही है. Suddenly, Sherlock, and he's huge, guys. He's huge. He comes between the guitar and me. There's a huge dog, and he's looking at me and chatting me. मैंने कहा तूने मेरे को बोला ये well behaved है. कहता नहीं, पता नहीं आज क्या हो गया उसको. So this is the kind of fraud she is. वो सामने खड़ा होकर पूरा गाना सुना. So
सुना ना,
such a darling.
Inspiration चाहिए ना,
darling. He's such a darling.
Inspiration चाहिए ना. When I sing ना, he sits very quietly because you were बेशुरू बजात ছিলে তুমি তখন, তাই জন্য.
True, absolutely. And actually, I'm very impressed with me today. আমি সুরে বাজাচ্ছি. Zubi Dubi is the most requested song by mothers whose children don't eat. Because I've been told many times कि वो गाना बजा देते हैं और बच्चा खा लेता है. तो ये is a great nutrition for kids. The Zubi Dubi. Okay. কি করবো? সি माइनर दो है ना.
गुनगुनाती है ये हवाएं, गुनगुनाता है गगन, गा रहा है ये सारा आलम. Zubi-doo, pa-ram-pa. Zubi-dooby, zubi-dooby, pam-para. Zubi-dooby, pam-para. Zubi-dooby, zubi-dooby, nache you pagal stupid man. Ba-da-ba-da-ba, zubi-dooby, zubi-dooby, pam-para. Zubi-dooby, pa-ram-pa. Hey, zubi-dooby, zubi-dooby, nache you pagal stupid man. शाखों पे पत्ते गा रहे, फूलों पे भंवरे गा रहे, दीवानी किरणें गा रही है, ये पंछी गा रहे. बगिया में दो फूलों की हो रही है गुफ्तगू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है, हो रहा है खूबहू. आई 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 जुबी डूबी पम्पारा, जुबी डूबी परम्पा. Zubi dooby nache you pagal stupid man.
So this madness, who else will do? Behind the microphone on that day, you should see. And Shreya का कमाल का style है. When she's doing these kind of songs, she takes the baal आगे. I'm a wrong person to show this, sorry, but she takes the baal आगे and then does this and then she puts it back. So basically उसने erase कर दिया hard disk. Now the man
माता चढ़ गई है.
अब now she will sing in a crazy way. Oh my God, it's microphone techniques you must learn from. We will do a session some other day in life, but basically that ability to be crazy, wild, yet the microphone technique is absolutely bang on. And these are things that I always watch her and notice.
Shantanu, we have learned it together. To be very honest, you started pretty much the next year in films, like since I started. So we are almost in the same time we have entered this industry, and you have to admit that only experience teaches
Absolutely.
every bit of how to whether the mic techniques, the composition techniques, what is working, what is not. Only trials and
बिल्कुल.
errors and all of that is taught us
And
everything.
you should never be afraid to try it, you know.
Of course.
And that's why good friends are very important, who will be honest and say, hey, this is not
Yeah.
working, this is working, this is very important.
Right.
I have to mention a very, very important step in our life, which was Gulzar translates Tagore.
Yes.
And for both of you and me, and of course, Sean, this was such an important album. A little background is the fact that Gulzar loves Shreya. And
I'm
I'm very
so
emotional
lucky.
when I talk about this because uh, he's like that. He's like that. He's so loving. I'll have a small incident which I'll tell you that Shreya had just got married. एंड सो काफी दिन गुलजार साहब से मुलाकात नहीं हुई थी एंड वी हैड वांटेड कि यार ये एल्बम साथ में बैठ के करेंगे सो शी वुड ऑफन कम टू गुलजार साहब हाउस एंड ऑल दैट बट उस दौरान बिकॉज शी वाज गेटिंग मैरिड तो काफी दिन आना नहीं हुआ था शी किप्ट ऑन आस्किंग कि बिटिया कैसी है एंड तो उस दिन श्रेया सेड इफ यू आर गोइंग देन आई विल कम अक्रॉस आई विल कम अलोंग आई सेड ओके सो आई पिक्ड हर अप एंड वी वेंट टू गुलजार साहब हाउस मुझे इंसिडेंट तक क्लियरली याद है तो बाट के बात हो रही थी शी सेड की भूख लग रही है गुलजार साहब हाँ मुझे भी लग रही है तो शी सेड कि आपके यहाँ पे तो बड़े बड़े एंड गुलजार साहब हैज एन अमेजिंग कलेक्शन ऑफ आचार्स अमेजिंग कलेक्शन ऑफ आचार्स तो शेयर सेड कि चलो अचार खाते हैं कहता है मेरे पास एक बड़ा अच्छा नया अचार आया है एंड सॉरी दिस 1 minute 40 seconds remaining की कोडबो व्हाट डू आई डू
If it stops, and I'll put a request again, and you then start again.
टेक्नोलॉजी मेरे को करना पड़ेगा रिस्टार्ट नहीं तू कर देना ना
No idea. I've never done this myself.
तो मैं करता हूँ मेरे को हे भगवान एनीवे मेरे साथ क्यों होता है 1 minute 20 seconds एनीवे सो द पॉइंट इज कि so she was going up to get the achar in the first floor so I said Shreya we'll ask somebody to get it now why you going Gulzar sir says telling me बिटिया अपने घर आई है उसको तो पता होगा कहीं अचार कहाँ है It's such a beautiful line that the daughter has come home after marriage. Obviously, she'll know where the achar is. So let her go and get it.
Yeah.
So that is so Gulzar.
So loving. He's so loving. And I think very few privileged people like us, I think, have had that affection from him. And when you know him now, then you feel that you have known somebody who is not just a vidwan. Like, उनके दर्जे तक कोई पहुंचने की मतलब हिम्मत भी नहीं कर सकता इस दर्जे का पोएट राइटर फिलोसोफर एवरीथिंग बट द ह्यूमिलिटी एंड द affection that he can give to somebody is incredible. It just feels like, seriously, when I go to his house, it feels like सच में घर आए हैं.
10 seconds are left. कट जाएगा तो I will do this and put you in. 5, 4, 3. We are going now. Bye. Okay. Shit.
I'm back. I am back and I hope sent you request. नहीं हे भगवान yeah I think she'll just send me a request hello she's back and go live with Shreya.
Yeah, she's coming, waiting, connecting.
Yes! So now, a new lesson learned. There is only a time limit that you can do it on.
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
And Instagram should actually change this rule because if we are doing live, it's going to go on for hours.
Anyway, we were talking about Gulzar Saab's love and affection, both for he was so clear that who are the people who should sing that album. Yeah. He wanted Shreya, he wanted Shaan. Shaan also because Gulzar Saab was so close to Shaan's father. And he has this sense of right and wrong. I don't know how he gets it. He just knows how to join the dots. And so I think
I think
both.
he genuinely the good souls immediately attract him, and I think it's all about that sense of if it's a good person who has no agenda in life when it's coming to Gulzar Saab. I think it's something that even I have. Like I have that filter with me whenever I am around with people. I'm usually very receptive to everything, but I do have, you know that very well, that in my inner circle, very few people have ever been in that inner circle. So I'm very I only get close to people who are genuine through the core. It's very difficult when you have, Gulzar Saab has been in this industry for so long, and he must have had so many experiences of he is the writer, he's a lyricist, as a director. He has met so many people who want so many things when you are at that level. So he does have that big filter, and we feel so fortunate that he's let us into that.
Very beautifully said. Very beautifully said. In fact, I think you and me both learned so much about Tagore from him, his perspective. From one poet. What a privilege, Shreya. Think about it. What a privilege to know about Tagore from Gulzar.
So true.
And we are so fortunate
having heard Tagore from our
childhood.
It's completely a new perspective towards whatever we have heard from our moms, dads, and घर पे हमेशा बजता रहता है. कभी इस तरह से तो हम लोगों ने सोचा भी नहीं था.
बिल्कुल. I remember वो जो गाना था ना, बुझ गया था क्यों दिया. He said कि शांतनु, and he's a master of relationships. माने उनसे बेहतर relationship कोई कभी समझ नहीं सकता. तो वो कहते हैं कि शांतनु हर चीज का एक दायरा होता है, एक बाउंड्री होता है. And I remember Shreya was saying that, Shreya, if we are too possessive and we try and pull that boundary or pull that elastic, वो टूट जाता है. So let's respect each other's space. That is the best way to what a content. And think about it, Tagore wrote it then.
Like people say na, I need space.
Correct.
That's a very concept. Like you have to give each other that space. If you'd overpower and just suffocate someone, it will not stay like that.
Absolutely.
That's such a contemporary new thought, but it was there.
Correct.
Tagore said it so many years ago, and Gulzar Saab interpreted it in his way. Amazing.
मेरे को भी कहो. Sorry, you take the scale.
लेकिन गुलजार साहब ने पहले कुछ बोला था. देखिए टैगोर कितने खामोश सवाल करते हैं जिंदगी से.
क्या बात.
बड़ा नाजुक एहसास है. जहां जहां जिंदगी का दामन उसकी गुंजाइश से ज्यादा खींचा. I love these words. जहां जहां जिंदगी का दामन उसकी गुंजाइश से ज्यादा खींचा, वहां वहां उसकी सांस फूल गई. बुझ गया था क्यों दिया, बुझ गया था क्यों दिया, बुझ गया था क्यों दिया, ज्यादा ही बचाया था. मिलन की रात मैंने जाग कर इसलिए वो बुझ गया, वो बुझ गया, वो बुझ गया. I'm missing Shan here.
Yes.
ओ मुरझा गया फूल क्यों, मुरझा गया फूल क्यों, मुरझा गया फूल क्यों. प्यार की बेचैनियों में उसको सीने में दबा रखा था मैंने, इसलिए वो मुरझा गया, मुरझा गया, मुरझा गया. इसके इतने सारे अंतरे हैं ना, इसमें सारे ही बहुत कमाल. किस लिए सूखी नदी आ,
हाँ हाँ
इसलिए सूखी नदी बांध बांधा जरूरत के लिए उस पर बांध बांधा जरूरत के लिए उस
वाह
पर हमेशा के लिए रख लूं इसलिए सूखी नदी इसलिए सूखी नदी तार चटखा
हाँ,
ताज का क्यों तार चटखा
तार का
क्यों
साज का क्यों, करेक्ट। तो
साज
सितार का जो
इंस्ट्रूमेंट
इंस्ट्रूमेंट
उसका
का जो तार
तार
खटकता,
क्यों टूटा
हाँ
चटखा
जब
मतलब वो टूट
जो
जाता है
आइडिया
ना
विजुअल इमेजरी इतने अमेजिंग है कि जब सितार का तार बज रहा है तो हम
हाँ।
उसको मीट के लिए हम उसको पुल करते हैं।
पुल करते
आपने
हैं
अगर ज्यादा पुल कर दिया तो वो
क्या
टूट गया। दिस इज द होल आइडिया।
तार चटखा साज का
वाह
क्यों उसकी हद से ज्यादा खिंच गया था सुर लगाने में इसलिए तार चटखा इसलिए इसलिए
हाँ नारे रा 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 बेंगली टा বাংলাটা কি আছে
দিয়ে
দিয়ে
ঝংকার তাই ছিড়ে গেল তার দিয়েছিনু ঝংকার তাই ছিড়ে গেল তার
awesome Shreya, we have been chatting for more than an hour now.
Yeah, it feels like one of our अरे it's been so long ना शांतनु you know
I know that is true, that is true, that is true.
पर हम लोग लोगों को क्यों इस तरह के टॉर्चर करें just because we feel like
No, but I think it was your idea कि यार why should we torture ourselves only, let's torture others also.
हाँ
So
सबको साथ में ले
live करते हैं yesterday once more, but Shreya, awesome, thank you. अभी क्या बोलना चाहिए goodbye या you want to
you
go
say
on? अभी एक्स्ट्रा थोड़ा टाइम मिला है तो थोड़ा थोड़ा
हाँ
अच्छा
मतलब
लेट मी
second time
हाँ
शुरू
हाँ
इसमें कितना लंबा टाइमर है
वही
टाइमर
उतना ही होगा ना 1 घंटा का टाइम होता है इंस्टाग्राम लाइव में।
नहीं I think we should
हाँ
we should
5 मिनट में
we
रैप
should
अप करते हैं
we
5
should
मिनट में
spare
wrap up।
the people no they are nice
हाँ
people
So, but the thing was that so whenever Shreya is going for somewhere for a holiday, now of course Shilo is there and he's an amazing planner and all that. But पहले before she was married,
अरे उसके
तो
पहले कहाँ वेकेशन किया है मैंने छुट्टियां तो
हाँ
नहीं ली कभी
तो एक बार वो भूटान गई थी।
हाँ
तो भूटान में उसने मेरे को पूछा था कि क्या क्या देखने का है। तो मैंने बोल के फिर मैं जानबूझ के मैंने एक नाम दिया था वहां पे, उसका नाम क्या टाइगर्स नेस्ट।
oh
तो विच
god
ओनली आई न्यू वो कितना चढ़ाई है, पर उसको मैंने बताया नहीं था। तो शी वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड। आज मैं जा रही हूँ टाइगर्स ने।
क्या स्नीकर वीकर पहन के टोपी वोपी लगा के
शाम को मैंने जब फोन किया कैसा लगा, हेलो
I am pretty much in that state right now. Every day is Tiger's Nest.
I am dead. I said, why didn't you tell me? So Tiger's Nest, जो people have gone to Bhutan, it goes up नीचे लास्ट में एक लगता है कि आ गया है, उसके बाद it just goes down and down and down. तो after मतलब कि आप मर जाते हो, उसके बाद की बात I will never reach there.
क्या है ना, this is the arrogance of that person who does Himalayas every second day. Like Himalayas तो क्या बाएं हाथ का खेल है. He goes and like lives in a tent in -40 degrees Celsius and it's like okay, I mean कर लिया है तो टाइगर्स नेस्ट कर लिया, ऐसा मतलब वो जैसे नेबरहुड की बात है कि थोड़ा घूम के आ जा। एंड हम लोग के लिए थोड़ा it was like for me it was Everest. We did
but amazing, your dad also went with you, right?
My dad did. So honestly
Amazing.
I would have chickened out, to be honest. It was dad who made up basically like I have come here, I am going to do this. Mom was staying in the hotel. I said she's not going, she's going to enjoy the nature. So now I have to be my dad's sidekick as I'm always. So I went there. Anyway, his enthusiasm, and thankfully dad took a little break here and there
Correct.
because you know age है, तो इसकी वजह से मैंने थोड़ी सांस ली।
In fact, for the people who are watching this, मेरा reputation इतना ही खराब है उनके घर में कि जब भी कोई recording होता है and Shreya's father asks that तो श्रेया आज किसका recording है शांतनु का कहते हैं फिर 2-3 दिन चलेगा.
No, to be honest, when I come back home, it's like, hello, like हुआ कुछ हुआ.
But thank you, Shreya, for doing this. This was just amazing. Good adda. Thanks to this, relieved. कितना कुछ भूल चुका था मैं actually. It was
I've
just
been
an
telling
amazing.
you.
I know. I got a
Yeah,
memory
memory.
problem. हाँ, बहुत problem है. But I was telling them that how you're my technology guru. But you scold a lot these days, which is not good, but it's okay. Thankfully I could manage this rebooting this
See, only if I
thing.
scold you, and to be honest, हक से मैं डांटती हूँ क्योंकि I love you so much. That's why I do that. You know?
क्या
तभी
बात
मैं डांट उसके डांट में भी मिठास है यार.
है.
तो you know that, ना?
तेरे को मिठास दिखता होगा, मेरे को तो नहीं दिखता.
क्योंकि मैंने बहुत डांट खाई है पूरी लाइफ में तुमसे. So I have now it's all like revenge time. So nowadays, because now I have finally something where I can scold you for all the mentorship that you've given me in life. It's all fine. But when it comes to technology,
Yeah, but I mentioned this before you came on online was that Shreya, I'm so indebted to your fan club, who they are your fans, but the amount of love and respect that I get from them each time, it's such an amazing thing. And you have some of the best fans that I know. They're so on. They're so. एक होता ना कि these are not the पागलबंदी वाले fan. They are cultured. They are amazingly cultured. The way they point out here, whatever. It's such a lovely feeling to know you have a family. You have a family, Shreya, who really loves you, and somewhere the way
we call ourselves SG family.
and
It is a family, truly.
they have given me a beautiful small room in that SG family, which is wonderful.
Come on, you are part of that family. We're all in it because, and to be honest, they keep thanking you always for every time we have created such memories, or like this live chat is very special to not just me, to all the fans who are watching, because this way they have never seen me talk. We have never spoken like this, like as from a friend's perspective. You're not just a very dear friend, you are also one of the most important composers in my life. We have made so many landmark benchmark songs. So it's a very unique experience for everyone, I feel. We should do it
And
more.
yeah,
Now
and
that you know how to do live, you know how to do
I'll do 2-3 more
stories.
rehearsals. I'll do it. A big hello to Shreya's Ma and Baba. I don't know whether they're watching or not. My mama and Baba are watching this.
Oh,
So
hello,
in Delhi,
Anshul.
we just taught them how to use Instagram.
Yeah,
I and them are on the same page. But it's wonderful. And thank you, Shreya, for doing this. Yeah.
तो मैं
अभी
फोन
सीयू
लगाती हूँ इसको रखने के बाद फोन पे बात करेंगे.
ये सीयू कैसे करते हैं, इसको एंड कैसे करते हैं,
I will
ऊपर है
do
कुछ.
it.
हाँ,
वो जो क्रॉस बटन दिख रहा है, क्रॉस दिख रहा है
हाँ,
साइड ऊपर.
okay, got it.
On that
Thank
note,
you.
very
Bye.
soon we'll meet again with tech guru Shantanu Moitra and of course.
Bye.
Bye.